Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look that's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I hope you guys like it and follow with me if you guys want to try it as well. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my lips, and also I'm going to do primer on my face and prime my eyelids. I do want to let you guys know that I'm doing a voiceover because when I recorded my video, it deleted all the audio. So here we are. Bear with me, guys. So now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. Here you will see me brushing my eyebrows up or down, and I'm telling you guys that it just depends on where you want to start. If you're starting at the bottom, of course brush your hairs up. If you're starting at the top, brush them down, and then you can just brush them all over just to give it that little bit of a natural look. So here I am just putting a little bit of the concealer to define my eyebrows. And now the color that you saw at the bottom that's kind of nude is the color that I'm using all over the outside of my eyelid. Just do either circular motions, but I like doing, as you can see, windshield wiper motions. Here I am just explaining that you don't have to be perfect with how you're doing your eyeshadow, especially if you're going to layer it. It doesn't have to be very dramatic. At the beginning, you can add, that's what makeup does, it's layers. You can keep adding layers to your makeup. So again, you will see me doing the same windshield circular motion back and forth, trying to make that eyeshadow pop a little bit more. I'm just adding more layers on top of the layer that I already did. As you can see, it's already starting to show. And now I'm just using a yellow eyeshadow. It's more kind of orangey, and I'm just dragging it in from the outside in a little bit, as you can see right there. I'm trying to make the camera focus. Now guys, here comes the scary part for me. That's why I said this is a makeup look that's out of my comfort zone, because I'm going to try and do the cut crease, because I want it to pop up the color that I'm going to put in the middle. I want it to pop up, especially what I'm going to try and do on the outside. You guys will see right now in a few minutes. So here what I'm trying to do is just outline what I did for the cut crease with a bright yellow. I really wanted to try this. Again, this is out of my comfort zone, and I hope you guys like what I'm doing. Now here I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner on both eyes, and I'm going to drag it out, and then from the outside back in, just to kind of define that line. So this that you're about to see is a little trick that I've done since I started experimenting with makeup around 11-12 years old. It does a quick eyeliner for me. I meant to say it does a quick cat eye for me, so I won't have to be struggling a lot. I just have to go in and clean it up with I do with my finger a little bit, and then with the brush. So now I'm applying mascara, and I'm going to dampen my beauty blender with some setting spray. And I like doing this little trick even though I feel like I'm inside a fog cloud. Now, of course, I'm applying a little bit of concealer and I'm going to blend that in. After that, it's going to be a little bit of blush, highlight, contour bronzer. Now I'm doing a little bit of setting powder and I'm going to wipe it away after a while, as you see. And then, of course, my eyelashes. Of course, let that glue get a little bit tacky before applying. Now, of course, I'm doing a little bit of eyeliner and lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. I am really surprised. I really liked it. I was scared when I started doing this look because I, of course, was doing something out of my comfort zone. 2, I don't really know how to do cut creases. I've been trying to, but I didn't even know if the colors were going to pop up. But I really did like it. So don't be afraid to experiment with makeup. Even the most professional makeup artists make mistakes. So again, thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it, even if it's one person. Please take care of yourself, and I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe. And again, I hope you really did enjoy watching this video. Bye guys. Have a good night, evening, morning, wherever you're at. Don't be afraid to try with makeup. That's it. Bye guys.